Hello, my name is Samuel, and I will be teaching you how to follow the update procedure via USB. Now, this PDF that I have open here, it's the document called Update Procedure 2.0 that can be found in the Alsmart community or in the partner portal. Now, this update procedure, it's very simple. We just have to follow a few steps. The first step is to know and have in our possession an USB-C mass storage device. In this case, I have a pen drive and it's formatted into FAT32. So as you can see, the first thing that it's said to us in the procedure is that the update happens through a JSON command file that it's going to be saved in our storage device. So but we need to set it up. We need to set up the USB. So for us to set it up, we can follow two ways. Set it up ourselves, creating a ASCMD folder, an in folder, and an out folder, or plugging this little guy into the Alsmart for 10 seconds and then taking it out. The Alsmart, when it detects that it's an empty device, it will create the 3 folders you need and also create the command.json file with all the information. So I have here a clear and empty USB-C. So I have connected the USB-C. As you can see, it's empty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create both folders that are needed. The out folder, it's not a mandatory folder, so you don't have to create it. The Alsmart will create it for you once it runs the system, the code. So now we can create our folders. So we create 2, and then I'm going to rename them as ASCMD and as in folder. Now here I'm going to create what it is, a text document. I'm going to clear this and then I'm going to write command.json. You confirm the change. Okay, now that you have created your command.json, you're going to open it. As you can see, it's empty, so we need to fill it up. So I'm going to copy and paste these commands right here, and also these 2 lines of code, and put them here. Now, if you chose to follow the 10 seconds procedure, which is you just plug in the empty device into the Alsmart, and then you open your command.json, these lines right here will have the information on your Alsmart. So you will have your session ID, your product code, serial number, etc. and etc. Okay? Now, this string right here, we're going to have to change it to the name of the file that will be commanded into the update. So in this case, I want to update my Alsmart into the 1.32 version. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this name, I'm going to paste it right here and save, and then we can close it. So now we have our command.json working. Now we need to go into our in folder. In this folder we will put the file that it's going to be uploaded into the Alsmart. So I'm going to just drag this right here, and remember, please check that the file is an ASPKG file. This is the only file that will work. If you're not using this file, then the update is not going to happen. Okay, now I can close this, and then I'm going to show you now how to actually do it manually. Okay, so I have recorded uh, a little step by step that I'm going to guide you through it. As you can see, I already have the USB-C in my the pen drive in my hand, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in into the USB-C port. And now this application that it's currently in the Alsmart that I'm using, it's based on the Danfoss template. So if you don't are using the Danfoss template, then you might have to search a little bit how to actually use this parameters menu. So once you click on enter, and it's going to open the parameters menu, and I'm going to first do the login because you need to follow this procedure as an admin. So I'm going to do the admin. As you can see, that's the password. It's 1000. And now I'm going to go to service, open service, and now search for execute USB command. I'm gonna get ready, enter, and execute it. I wanted to show you the execution in progress, and then in a little while it's going to change to the actual. There we go. That's when the screen turns off, and then it's rebooting the system, and in a few seconds it's going to open the new screen. Now, once you update your Alsmart design, you will have to re-upload your program. Yes, um, and your everything keeps the same, but the program. Your service tool password, it's the same. The IP address is obviously going to be the same. The only thing that you're going to need to is just to re-upload your program. Once you've done that, then it's simply done. You are done with the process, done with the update. All right. So thank you for following this procedure with me. See you again soon. Bye bye.